Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna share some very valuable information with you guys today. This video is gonna answer anybody's doubts that they can't be successful in the cell phone repair business without having the money to spend on machines. Guess what? You see all of these Samsung screens right here? I sent all of these off to a cell phone screen refurbishing company, and I've got these all refurbished for free. You guys can do the same thing too. I'm gonna show you guys how all of this stuff works and that you don't need machines in order to be successful or offer glass only repair in your store. Or even if you're mobile. If you're a mobile person, this works for you. It's the same way. Coffee shop too, just like how I started, in a coffee shop. So I'm gonna try and break this down the simplest way as I can to explain how this whole thing works. All right, so before I begin, I want to show you guys the professional refurbishing job that these guys did here. So I have 4 different phones that I'm gonna show you guys. The first one up is a Galaxy S9. Check that out. I want you guys to see it in the glare. So these are professionally done. They're taken out of the frame using Oka sheets, and then they're put back into a new looking frame. So you see right here. I want you guys to check that out. There's no waves, there's nothing like that. They look legitly like they're brand new, okay? Here's a S9 Plus. Same exact thing as you guys see. Just like that. Here's a Samsung Note 8. You guys see? Professionally done. They look like they're legitly brand new. Here's a Samsung Note 9. Samsung Note 9. This is how it looks in the underside, just like this. Taken out of the frame, refurbished professionally, put back into a frame. So as you guys see all the way around. Professionally done, looking like they're brand spanking new, okay? All right, so the way that I got all of these Samsung screens in this box refurbished for free is that I sold off the iPhone screens that I collect from customers that they bring in their repair and then they leave behind their good working screen. I sold off the iPhone 10 and newer, and I got a credit that paid for all of this Samsung screen refurbishing. Let me give you an example. So this is an iPhone XS Max screen. Now currently, as I'm filming this on June 5th, 2020, I am currently getting $90 for this cracked iPhone XS Max screen. So for those of you guys that don't know, when a customer comes in and they want to get their iPhone XS Max fixed or any of their iPhones, they generally don't want their broken parts back, right? They just want to come in and get their phones fixed. Well, the thing is that they don't know that their old cracked screen has value to it. It has value for me and for cell phone repair shops. So as you guys see, as I turn this over, you see this Apple logo right here? This is an original iPhone XS Max screen. So now remember, in order for you to get credit, if you want to sell off iPhone screens, they have to be original, just cracked glass screens. The display has to be functioning fully in order to get a full credit. So this is how much you can get for a buyback price. And I'm gonna go quickly through this. And remember, I'm gonna have this written out in the description beneath the video. So click beneath the video, go in the description, and I'm gonna write out all this stuff right here. All right, so if you wanted to sell off, let's say your iPhone 10 screen, and it was labeled an A grade, you would get 50 bucks. B grade is $40, C grade is $15. An iPhone XS, 55, B grade 43, C grade 17. This is the credit that you will get if you want to choose to sell off your screens, right? iPhone XR, they only take A grade, you'd get 15. An iPhone XR does not have an OLED screen like the other iPhone new models. You don't get as much credit on that because they use an LCD screen on that model. Okay, so now here comes the big daddy. iPhone XsMax. Currently, right now, if you have an A grade 10s Max screen, you get $90, B grade $80, C grade $40. Now, if you were going to send off anything that's an iPhone 8 Plus and older, you're not going to get these prices. Those screens are made out of LCD screens, so you won't even get nearly as much as you would get with these OLED newer modeled iPhone screens. All right, so what if you didn't have any iPhone screens to sell and all you wanted to do was just send off your Samsung screens to go get refurbished, and you just wanted to just do it that way and pay for it? Well, here it is. Here are the prices. If you had a good working Samsung S8 screen and you wanted to send it off to get refurbished, $40. Galaxy S9's $50. That includes the pluses, okay? So S8 Plus, $40, S9 Plus, $50. Now look at the price for Galaxy S10, $55. Here we go for the Note 8, $40, Note 9, $50, Note 10, $75. All right, so how does this work? How do I collect Samsung screens? So for instance, I have a Galaxy S9 screen right here. This is a Galaxy S9 phone. And as you see, this qualifies for glass only repair, right? It's cracked right there. There's no like bleeding black spots or like lines running up and down the screen, right? Display is perfectly fine, right? And it doesn't even matter if your screen is, I know there's cell phone screen refurbishing companies out there that they won't take your screen or they'll reject it if it has like any little bit of a tiny reddish tint to it. You're sending off your own screens to get refurbished and you're getting your own screens back. Okay, so this is what you do if somebody comes to you, whether you're in a coffee shop, you're in your store, or however, wherever you're at, right? Customer comes in, they give you their phone, you take the back cover off, you open up the phone, you get a screen like this with the frame. It already has a frame attached. You take the insides out of this phone. That means the motherboard, the battery, the charging port. You transfer it all right here. The little cameras. You transfer the insides of the phone out and you transfer it and you stick it in here. Put the screws back in, put the back cover on. You give it back to the customer and they're good to go. They're happy, right? So in my store for this charge, I would charge $175 for glass only repair. If their display, this is what everybody else is charging, because as you guys know, almost all the stores across the United States don't even offer glass only repair on Samsung phones. All they do is offer the full display and glass replacement. So if I get $175 for a glass only repair, I can then go send this off to a cell phone screen refurbishing company that I have the contacts for and have them do it for 50 bucks. 175 minus 50 bucks, that's $125 profit. Out the door. I don't have to do any work at all. You don't need machines to do it. All you're doing is just collecting screens and you're repeating the process over and over. Now the catch is you can't just send off 1 or 2 screens to get refurbished. You're gonna have to gather them and collect them in a box until you get the minimum order that they'll allow for you to send off. So they'll refurbish it because it becomes a job to them. So I want to get back to this really quick again. Do you guys know how much stores are charging you guys for a Galaxy S10 or an S10 Plus screen repair? If they're getting if they come here and they're getting their display replaced, like because their screen got really damaged, right? I charge $300 for a display and glass replacement. But if they come in with a Galaxy S10 or an S10 Plus, you know how much I charge? If their screen is perfectly fine, it's just cracked glass, $175. That undercuts Samsung themselves. You can go check this out. Go on Samsung.com and see how much they charge for a Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus screen repair. It undercuts U-Break iFix. You guys know what? Hear me out. Just do the research on your own. Go on Google, type in cell phone repair on either Yelp or on Google, and just go down the list and just call them. Hi, sir, how much do you charge for a Galaxy S9 screen repair? Hi, sir, how much do you guys charge for a Samsung Note 10 screen repair? Just go down the list. Just start writing down how much they're charging and compare it to this, $175. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Other repair shops cannot compete with you if you do it this way. All right, you guys, did that make sense to you guys? Don't let the excuse of not having expensive cell phone repair refurbishing machines to stop you from starting your cell phone repair business, especially in today's economy. This cell phone right here that's in your pocket is probably one of the most essential things anybody has owned over the last 3 or 4 months. With the all-time record of unemployment going on right now in this economy, cell phone repair is considered essential by the government. My shop was legally allowed to be open the entire time during this whole COVID pandemic. All right, so click the link in the description and I'll have everything written out. How much it is if you want to sell off your screens, so the buyback prices for iPhones. If you wanted to send off your Samsung screens to get them refurbished, how much the charge is for those. And even if you just wanted to send off your iPhone screens to get refurbished themselves, and that's all you wanted to do. Everything will be written right there in the description. If you have any questions at all, send me a direct message on Instagram. All right, so I'm gonna end this video. If this video helped you guys out in any way, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.